All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
YouTube, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Roman back again with another POV drive, and as you guys can see, man, today we are indeed the 320i. We're in the 320i, and yeah, man, bro, I haven't driven this car in a minute. But chat, I actually had a POV drive for y'all. And bro, it turns out I did not record, bro. I did not press record. So let me make sure that this one at least is recording. Because ain't no way, bro. Yo, the traffic during the day is crazy. It is insane, bro. But yeah, man, I hope you guys will enjoy this POV drive. This car needs, what is it? The thing that makes your wheel straight. Wheel alignment, yeah. We need that. We need that, definitely. Bro, like when you're used to powerful cars, I don't know, chat. I remember the first time driving this car, and like, bro, it felt so powerful to me, bro. But you know, got used to the 235, got used to the other car. Why am I using my indicators, bro? BMW drivers don't use indicators. We do not use indicators, bro. But yeah, like I was saying, bro. When I was vying with the 235 and the CLA, bro, like the power just feels amazing, bro. Might get a ticket. But yeah, bro, I'm gonna try to be chat, like, I don't know, trying to be consistent on this channel. I don't know, bro. The thing is, I've just been sitting at home lately, and yeah, I'm trying to get the 135 like 100% fixed and all that, bro. So like, yeah, bro, like literally I don't be going anywhere, bro. I don't be going anywhere right now. I just need to go fetch keys from my sister, and I'm going back to Posey, bro. So like, bro, it's literally nothing to do. You feel me, chat? But yeah, like I said, I'm waiting for the 135 to like be 100% complete, and y'all are gonna get some fire POVs, bro. But yeah, chat, I actually came from school while I was writing exams and all that. And, bro, being a law student, chat, like, nah, bro, law ain't it, bro. Law really ain't it, bro. Like, it's just way too much work. It's way too much work, bro. But yeah, chat, let me know down below in the comments if y'all enjoy me yapping, cause I feel like I'll be yapping, bro. I feel like I'll be yapping. Plus, with this car, it's not really much of like sound when it comes to the exhaust, cause everything is still stock, by the way. Everything is still stock, so like, yeah, it's kind of ooh, that was a puddle. It's kind of pointless for me to shut up unless I hook up the mics by the exhaust, because the exhaust does sound good. It's not loud. It's not the loudest. It's not the fanciest exhaust, bro. But it does sound good. Trust me. It does sound good. And I think if we straight pipe it, bro, why am I gibbeling these puddles? Yeah. But yeah, I think if we straight pipe it, it can sound good. Like the 135 straight pipe. When I say that thing is loud, bro, it is loud, bro. Like even my neighbors be complaining. But yeah, I am gonna be posting some shorts on it, you know, all that. We are gonna build a car, basically. Thinking of getting like some new rims, all that. But yeah, man, chat. I'm low-key hungry now. Yeah, I think we taking time. But yeah, I'm gonna clickbait the title, bro. My bad, bro. Because I was supposed to drop a video of me leaving the exam venue, bro. And guess what? This thing did not record. I was so pissed, bro. I was too pissed. Yo, I'm waiting for the eyes. And they're gonna be looking at me weird, bro. I'm telling you. Come on, bro. I don't even have petrol here. I'm driving like a maniac. Oh, that is a nice polo. What the? Oh, since when does Saps have polos now? The GTI too. Okay. that's why that light is on too. They kind of finished. I'm not sure if they finished, but yo, I'm driving like this and I don't have brakes. It's crazy. It's insane, bro. But yeah, chat. I hope y'all are ngado. Hope everyone's doing good, staying blessed, staying safe out there. And yeah, bro, I don't know. I just be yapping with these videos, bro. I swear. I feel like this is me venting, bro, in a way. This is me venting in a way, bro. You fear me, chat. God, yo. Everyone cutting up. Let's go. Like, let's go. Yo, why is there so much traffic, yo? Yo, Almera, boy. Ooh. Damn, bruh. There you go. Let's show you guys over here. Yeah, now this is just Halloween noise, bro. Oh, come on, bruh. But that Almera cutting up just like me, bro. Yo, Teva got it. He got it, bro. And I came to the slow lane. The slowest lane, bro. And there's a truck right in front. Damn, bruh. It's like rush hour right now. Yo, chat, let's talk about Joburg traffic, bro. Like, even on Sundays, dog, like, nah, bro. There's way too many cars in the road. And, bro, you wouldn't even say that petrol is expensive, bro. Like, the amount of cars that are on the road, it's crazy. It's crazy, bro. But hopefully, fingers crossed this month, petrol does go down, bro. Because, man, can't afford, boy. Everything is expensive now. Ziyakhala, bro. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Yo, I don't even know how long I've been recording. But with that being said, I hope it's 8 minutes. I'm gonna make it short. Keep it nice and short for y'all boys, and make sure that I edit this and get it out for y'all, bro. Feel me, chat? But other than that, chat, hope you guys did enjoy this one. Don't forget to hit that like button, sub up, do all the YouTube things. POV season is back, I guess. But yeah, like I said, man, hope you guys did enjoy this. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, man. Ooh, that is a nice Mercedes, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next time, bro.